Gaming with Shugar. Dun, 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 dun. Bam. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my first episode of Gaming with Shugar. Are you ready for with some adventure? Let's zoom in and we'll have some fun today. So, this is me. You're right over here with so good. Do you see me? Okay, so I'm just hopping around trying to see if there's anything. Look, it's a phantom. Just crawling around. I'm flying. Okay, so let's go into Jamaa Township and see if there's anything good happening here. Oh, here am I. Super sorry about that. Now, I guess I'm not going to have to be here so you can look at me. So, zoom. So, there's Peck, one of my favorites. Hi, Peck. Hi. She's really kind to me. Now, anyways, let's go. Now, I'm going to show you the bunny burrow. Wait, I'm just doing this tour because if you never watch Animal Jam and you're more of the YouTube fan, then I'm showing you everywhere. Here's the bunny burrow. Let's hop in. Okay, so this is the bunny burrow. It's bunnies only, right? It's so surprising, right? And look at to everybody. Everybody has their own. Ooh, there's this trade on here, so I can trade to everybody. But you cancel it right now. So there's also shops in Animal Jam. I'm not gonna do that just because she didn't trade with me. Now, here's the shop. I can hardly buy anything since I, spent all of my gems and sapphires. Look, I have 0 sapphires. See? So, oops, didn't mean to do that. Now, I have a pack. It's called the Spider Unicorns. Now, you may not like spiders, not very much people like spiders like me, but I do. And there's hardly any people in this pack. Just that's my brother Puppy. Yeah, he's in Animal Jam. He just isn't here. He needs to get his thing, and somebody is making a church at their den. Now, comment down below if you want to see that. I'll be doing that in the next episode. So let me memory for her. A new jammer. Let's talk out and I'll show you more of Jamaa. Now get out of the way, puppy. Yeah, now this is the end of today's episode. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be doing part 2 on the next episode. Bye.